Hello guys, so today we're gonna create a journal using Canva templates for Amazon KDP. So first of all, you will need to find out what are the dimensions of the journal. So for example, I'm searching for journal for anxiety, and I'm just gonna click on any of those, maybe those on the first page, of course, and see what are the dimensions. So as you can see, it's 6 by 9. There's also some different probably a different measurements, but we can focus on 6 by 9. Maybe let's click on this one. As you can see, it's 7 by 9, but I will create today a 6 by 9 journal. So the interior of this journal should be 6 by 9 inches. And you will do this on Canva, of course. So you go here on Canva, create this design 6 by 9. And now for the templates, we're gonna create a journal today using some templates, but just keep in mind that you cannot just use the template and don't do anything to it. Don't add and change many things, because for KDP it's really important that you would stick and be unique. So let's search for journal, or maybe let's try and find some anxiety journal. As you can see, there's not much of an options for the free version, because today I'm just gonna show you a free version. So as you can see, there's 30-day challenge. Let's also see this one, self-assessment. So let's choose this one, for example. And we're just gonna edit a lot of things now. So now for the background, we of course want to change that, because and of course this journal should be black and white, because it would cost you less to print it. And as you can see, the anxiety journals are not that expensive, so you need to make a lot of profit. So now we're just gonna change this to some other color. We just change the color to gray one. Let's make it maybe a little bit lighter. And now we can edit everything. So for example, I'm not suggesting to leave this element here, and add maybe some of your own. Also, let's change the color of the borders. So let's make it black, and I'm just gonna change all, and it will change all of the elements here. Now maybe we should change the font also. So let's change this to this one and change all. Now let's zoom in, and as you can see, the border is also different, so we can change it to black. And also this color here, also let's change it to black. We can actually leave these ones. I would suggest to change this one too, maybe to some calligraphy font, for example, something like that. So this is how you create a journal using templates. And now also, of course, let's change this one. Maybe let's do it white, but add some border. And also let's choose these lines and make them black, just like these ones. Of course, we need to make everything. Let's add some smiley face. But guys, I would also suggest to use Canvas elements because they may be copyrighted, but for the sake of this video I'm just gonna use them. What I use for my work and for my journals, I use Creative Fabrica, and I will leave the link in the description below because it's a great tool to use to find a lot of elements, and you can use them for print on demand business. Now let's see what we have here. In a second I will add some smiley face. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you edit templates. Of course, if you want to add some element, maybe of course we don't want to add such element in an anxiety journal. Let's add some happy woman. Also, I wouldn't suggest to use such elements, free elements from Canva, because they might get copyrighted. And now let's add some grayscale filter. And yeah, that's how you edit the templates. To have a journal, you just basically duplicate the page to 100 pages. Also add the first and the second page. So the second page can leave blank, but the first page should be something like this. This anxiety journal belongs to. You can also add something different if you want to. And yeah, guys, that's that. Let's add some line. And that's it. That you add the first page, the second page can be blank, and now all of the other pages may be these ones. So yeah, guys, then you download it as PDF print. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.